This question says we should find the approximate height of 5 students. Let me read it out. The height of 5 JSS1 students are 1.31 meters, 1.47 meters, 1.49 meters, and 1.38 meters and 1.39 meters. Estimate the average height of the students to the nearest tenth. So to do this, we first estimate this to the nearest tenth, and then we add all of the 5 heights together and divide it by 5. Solution. So we are adding up all of these heights by first approximating to the nearest tenth. So for 1.31 to the nearest tenth, we'll have 1.3 plus. Now 1.47 will give us 1.5, and then we add that also to 1.49 is also 1.5 plus, here we would have 1.4, and then plus 1.39 is 1.4. Now let's add all of this together. Now 3 plus 5 is 8, plus 5 again, and then we have 13, plus 4 is 17, plus 4, and then we have 21. So we write 1, carry the 2. Remember the decimal point. So 2 plus 1 is 3, plus 1, 4, plus 1, 5, plus 1, 6, plus 1, and then we have 7. So 7.1. So since we already have the sum of the heights, let's now find the average height. Now this is the sum, which is 7.1 in meters, divided by the number of students, which is 5. Now let's divide. 5 here 1, 5 in 7, 1, with a remainder of 2. So we put our decimal point. And then 5 in 21, and we have 4, with a remainder of 1. And then when we add a 0 here, 5 in 10, and then we have 2, 1.42 meters, which is approximately 1.4 meters to the nearest tenth. And that's the solution to this problem. Thank you.